That shit never gets old, bro. I swear. Y'all finna see it in the next vid. We got some shit coming for the car, bro. So y'all stay tuned for that. That AC blowing cold. If you know, you know, bruh. If you know, you know. Bro, I just saw 12, bro. I'm gonna lie, bro. One of these niggas pulled me over like the other day, bro. Right as I was about to turn, bro. Right as I was about to get home, bro. These niggas pulled me over, bro. Some BS, bro. I ain't trying to get pulled over right now. I made a turn. He behind me right now. Duck off, bro. I don't want this nigga behind me. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. It's not bad back here. Yeah, I'll see the stair. Let's head back out on the road, bro. Had to just park up and chill. I ain't trying to get pulled over. I ain't trying to spoil my night, bro. Sure got a lot of construction or road work going on, bro. Right around now. Damn. What the hell? Bro, is today Monday, bro? Damn, I just remembered today's Monday, bro. I got a whole work week ahead of me, bro. Damn. And I already got 80 miles left. I swear, bro, this car, been running my pockets dry on gas, bro. But it's miles per gallon, I guess. Damn. Come on, bro. That shit's strong. That shit moving the whole car, bro. Fuck. But yeah, bro. That's gonna be the end of the video, bro. You know, just a little POV drive, bro. You know, just a typical night from work. Just thought I posted this shit, you know, just to get back rolling. You know what I'm saying? But next video, bro, we doing a mod to the car, bro. Something big. You feel me? It's already here. And next video, y'all see it. So y'all stay tuned. You feel me?